This is the elevator at a newly built condo building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the Schindler 330A HT from 2022. Got a basement. Interior down. Here's the basement. Really quick leveling for 330. Oh, under leveled. Okay. Looks like down here at the parking garage. Got the two. Here, go up. Probably have some jack issues if it's gonna under level like that for new elevator. Here are two vibrating. Going down to ground. The basic padded cab. Underneath the padding is like a turquoise laminate or gray. Class A loading. It's a combination passenger freight elevator. Here back at ground. I must admit that this elevator has some pretty quick leveling for 330A. Well, this is not going to be it.